and
Got it.
we, yeah, that's it.
And okay, so how many of you have already get started with journey in Facebook ads, and a few those who haven't started this journey in Facebook ads, let me know in the chat that yes, I am a Facebook ads marketer. I know how to run Facebook ads, or I know pretty much, or I know in like intermediate. So rate yourself out of 10. Okay, rate your skills out of 10 on Facebook ads. Go ahead. I just want to see where you're standing at so we can work accordingly. They say 7 out of 10. Okay, great. Beginner in Facebook, Manish, great. 2, Shakul, okay. 5 by 10. Uh-huh. All right, I want inputs from all the people so I'll know better. Beginner, okay. So I can clearly see that there are a lot of people, those who right now in this house, those who want to learn Facebook ads, and they are at the beginner stage. Okay, so okay. So do you want me to do a very good foundation game here as in Facebook ads? What are the very strong requirements are there to run Facebook ads? Because see, in the you can find plenty of videos on Facebook ads for in YouTube and other courses. Agree? You can find a lot of courses, a lot of videos on YouTube. But why I'm saying it to just focus on next 1 hour, it will be really easy to understand how the Facebook ads works, and we will see, okay, that how to get started and we can bring results. So first thing first, before starting to the Facebook ads, I just want to know that we all know that the Facebook ad is the one of the methods to run advertisement. Facebook is having Facebook is a one of social media channel, and the social media channel we have 1.3 billion people of data, and Facebook selling the data to all the people like us, basically digital marketing people, those who can run advertisement by specifically targeting their geolocations, their interest groups, age groups, and etc. etc. So you guys clear that what exactly Facebook ads is? So we all must have seen that a lot of ads on Facebook ads. We go or use Facebook every day. Maybe you are using Instagram. So let's consider this Facebook. Instagram is acquired by Facebook now. So if I'm talking Instagram ads or I'm talking Facebook ads, don't confuse. Instagram ads and Facebook ads are same. Okay. So these things has been occupied by each other. So that is fine. The thing is, I'm emphasizing that I hope every day on the everyday basis you must be watching a lot of ads on Instagram or Facebook. Correct, guys? You're watching daily. In fact, these days are pretty good number of ads coming in phone. Correct. So, what do you think? Why in the business is required to run Facebook ads? Why not some other platforms like SEO? I'm not talking about Google Ads and all. Why not SEO? Why not affiliate? Why not YouTube videos and all? Why they are going to with the Facebook ads? What is the reason? Key reason to get started the Facebook ads? What do you think?
Because I'd say the population, the users of Facebook is the largest in the world.
Your voice is cracking, Vishnu. So I think I can't hear you properly.
There are more users of Facebook as compared to other media platforms.
Yeah, that is fine, but I just want some little crisp answer. So my question is to you, why you should pick someone to run Facebook ad? Okay. Before learning Facebook ad, you must know that why to run Facebook ad. You must know the why you want to run Facebook ad. So if someone comes to you and says, I am running this kind of business and I want Facebook ads, what you will say, okay, why you need Facebook ads? What we can do from the Facebook ads? So what would be your answer?
We can create awareness through Facebook ads, as there are a target audience of all types.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's fine. And anything else?
SEO
Like,
takes a longer time to give them results, but slowly it will give results. So within 1 week of time, your ads will boom up and you will get some results. Second thing is like when you run ads and simultaneously you do the nurturing and sales thing, possibility of getting sales initially for your business is easy when you come to a digital platform. Once you
yes.
take some sales, you can also invest in other platforms. You can invest more and see what you can do.
We
Yes.
can make people to come and visit our website or channel or our page by giving a call to action, visit now or view more, like that kind of.
Sorry, what was the question?
Yes. So I'm coming back to the question. And Shankul, can you just mute yourself? I think your voice is on. Thanks. Yeah. So your specific answer should this particular question should be in that manner that what they want. And for the every business, I told you, like I've been repeating from the many days, from the very beginning. The primary thing for the every business is lead generation. Agree? For every business, it's a lead generation. And Facebook ads meant for generating leads. Very first thing, create awareness, lead generation, and for some kind of other businesses, it's related to e-commerce, straight sales. Okay, so it is like a bunch of solution for any kind of business. So if someone says that okay, I heard about the Facebook ads, why I should run Facebook ads in my organization? Can you suggest me a few things? So you can say that you should run Facebook ads because you can create awareness of your brand, and if you can bring a lot of leads inside your business by running Facebook ads. Other thing, you can sell your product directly to the audiences by using e-commerce platforms and sales objective campaign on Facebook ads. Do you think it makes sense? If you answer like this, people will be more convinced and curious to know, okay, Facebook ads something that we should look into it, because I think this looks promising. Because what we want, it's fulfilling. We need lead generation, we want sales, we want awareness for the campaigns, so and so forth. A lot of things there is. Correct, guys? So do you think this answer is pretty satisfied?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'm just training you on that part, that what should you supposed to answer, because it's not my job to tell you that what is how to answer anyone. I'm just simplifying stuff that as a digital marketer, if you go outside and pitch some client, you want to run Facebook ads for someone, you must know that what to say. Okay, it's not about that running ads bring results. No, just tell them that Facebook ads not about the sales. There are a lot of help features inside it. Okay, there are plenty much of reasons to run Facebook ads, not for just making money or not for making sales. There must be some Instagram followers, links, and there must be page likes campaign, there'll be message campaign, there traffic campaign, awareness, XYZ. Okay, so let's dive in and let's see how Facebook AdSense works. And I believe those who are beginner, have you gone through with this how to create ads manager, guys? What is Facebook ads manager? Ads manager is a dashboard where we can manage all the Facebook ads thing, and how we start managing all the ads and execute them. So guys, all the people over here, I want your affirmation that you know how to create an ads manager. Go, I know, right in chat, I know. And if you don't know, just type don't know. Okay, I want to see what's the ratio here. Okay, don't know. Vishnu says don't know. Okay, yes. So it's majority is yes. Okay, majority student knows that how to create it. It's very simple, Vishnu. You have to visit a certain URL called Facebook adsmanager.facebook.com. So I'm quickly show you that how it looks like. Wait. Uh,
Yes, of course. Not a big problem. I can get help over this.
Great. So here we go. Okay. So you have to visit this particular page. Okay. Now we are going to see inside the ads manager. So just note down the URL, guys. Those who are struggling to get the ads manager, you can just simply write this. Okay, I simply jumped in my ad account. Wait, let me just go outside. You will get to know. Okay, it's something called. Sorry, it's facebook.com/ad manager. Once you create your ads manager, you can straightly visit from here. Okay, this is the URL. Let me just go here. So I have there is one difference. Okay, this I'm just quickly telling you that what is the difference here. Few keywords I'll repeat again in this whole course. One is uh, Facebook Ads Manager. Another one is Facebook Business Manager. How many of you know that what is Facebook Business Manager? Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else know that what is Facebook Business Manager? Because people often think that okay, Facebook Ads Manager is something and Facebook Business Manager same. They are different purposes. Okay, don't get confused. This is some technical thing, and if you master this skill, very few people know it. Okay, they are not practicing. In expert level, you must practice all these things. What is Business Manager? What is Ads Manager? Okay. All right. So only few people knows it. And okay, let me show you. As you can see, this is my ad account. Okay, this is my ad account, and I have created a lot of campaign. What is campaign? Campaign is something that you create for particular objective. So you think you see this dashboard. Okay, you see this dashboard for very first time. I don't know how many of you have seen to this dashboard, but I know that when you have already tried yourself and you've been using Facebook ads from long time, or maybe just testing out few things. Okay, so you think, what do you think? What is the best button here in the dashboard? What is create? Okay, it says after coming to dashboard, create. What to create as a campaign? Correct? It is asking me to create a new campaign. So before running this campaign, before running to the campaign, I'm requesting you to just focus here. Before running to any campaign, you must know the motto behind this particular campaign. Okay, so I'm just going to give you example. Okay, before giving example, let me just clarify a few things which is available on my top of the screen right now. Okay, we have few options in Facebook ads to run and as an ad. Okay, let's talk about there are three things: awareness, consideration, and conversions. There are three different steps, and as you know that I have been already shared a lot of things on this as a funnel, that we must create a awareness first, then we do consideration, then we send a conversion. You getting it? What I'm trying to say? You firstly create awareness in the market that yes, Vijay Kumar is something that doing Facebook ads. This is my awareness, and I've created awareness with the people of 50,000 to 1 lakh people. They know that what I do. Okay, this is called awareness. Consideration. So I have started creating my content on Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. Okay, people started considering me and they started engaging me on my content, whether they're liking my post, whether they're commenting it. So I'm marking as an engagement if they're liking my post and dropping comment. So this is called engagement. Correct, guys? This is called engagement. Yes. So after the consideration, we have conversions. After engaging everything, my job is to sell my product. To sell, I have to convert. There are few campaigns for conversions as well. So let's go ahead and learn one by one what is meant for. Okay, we'll go overview right now. So what is brand awareness? This is one campaign type called brand awareness, and there is one is reach. They are little different from each other. Okay, so suppose Hitesh, you launched a new brand today. Okay, Hitesh, you launched a new brand today, and you want to, suppose new client came and says, we are the newly launched product in a garment store and we want sales. Many people do a major mistake here. They think if they start running conversion campaigns on their store, they will start getting sales. It's not going to happen. It is truth. Okay, so first thing first is you must run brand awareness in the local area if you are selling in local market. So create a brand awareness campaign. So what is brand awareness campaign? Show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. So in the Facebook ads algorithm is like already trained that if you want to create awareness for a particular brand, it will going to reach to those people uh, who are well known for this particular brand. Okay, if I'm using Gucci brand, if I'm using Titan, I'm using Rolex, anything, this kind of big brands I'm using, Facebook knows that which person is the best for remembering the brand value. Because as me, I'm a lot of time I'm searching for Rolex watches. Okay, I love Rolex watches. So I know that I love a particular brand, and if I tell Facebook that please take this money, this is 10,000 rupees for a week, and reach to as many as people you can with the help of brand awareness campaign. Brand awareness is meant for reaching maximum amount of numbers, maximum amount of numbers in very less uh, volume of money. You're getting it? So if I says, here is your 20,000 rupees, reach to the maximum people in the market as much you can. So if this is the case, I will go to the brand awareness. Okay, brand awareness is specifically meant for selling a product in the later one. If suppose I'm a brand, मैं एक brand हूँ and मुझे कुछ product बेचना है आज से 6 महीने बाद या 2 महीने बाद, I have a vision to sell something, so I will create a brand awareness campaign. And you must be thinking, hey Vijay, that's fine, what about this reach? उसके नीचे एक reach भी तो है. This is called under the awareness, and many people don't know that what is the difference between a reach and awareness, because it looks like same. Correct? What do you think, guys? Do you think it's brand awareness and reach looks like same? And if you know that what is the particular difference between the reach and brand awareness, I want you to come forward and tell me that what is the difference between the reach and the brand awareness, if you know it. Anyone knows? Anyone? If you don't know in the chat, just type don't know. That's fine.
I think brand awareness is for us and reach is something. I think so. If I'm wrong, I am correct.
Your voice is not clear, Hitesh. It's cracking.
I think brand awareness is for creating for funnel.
Okay.
Reach is something kind of reaching to the more, you can say, kind of display ads.
Fine. I can consider this, but not an exact answer. Okay. So anyone wants to try what is reach? Because I've told you, okay, we'll the Facebook ads, if you master all these particular terms very primarily, you will know that what to run, okay, what to run in this particular price. I give you 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, and I'll say run Facebook ads, but you don't know what to run in which moment, what is required to run right now. Okay, this is your job to understand and to know that what to do next. Okay, reach is similar to boosting. It's not. No, it's not. There are different purposes. As I told you before.
Awareness, brand
Yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
brand awareness is like when you are getting a new product. So through awareness, you can tell the effects and features of the new product. And reach is reaching to the people, like telling that this is our product.
Yeah, reaching to the people, but I want to modify this answer little better manner. Okay, just listen carefully. So brand awareness meant for a particular long-term vision. If you have a purpose to sell something for your brand, or if you want to do some service sector thing, okay, so run brand awareness. Suppose I newly created my company today, and I want to I want to make sure that everyone in my locality, specifically in Delhi or Kolkata, Chennai, wherever, I know in this particular region, everyone should know that if they're looking for a digital marketer, I am the person. I am the person who can run Facebook ad, Google ads, everything in digital marketing. Okay. So do you think I have a vision for selling something in future? Do you think I have a vision? Yes. So
Yes, yes.
that will come under brand awareness. Okay. And I have no object to sell anything, no getting lead initially, no object. I just want to just get my brand awareness. I have a big agency. I have 100 people working down the line, and I want to make sure that everyone knows that I am the best. I am the best agency owner in the Delhi right now, and this is the best digital marketing agency. So what I will do, I'll start running brand awareness. That is the one. Let's come to the reach. Suppose the second is it's a very vice versa effect. First thing, reach is something that you have no long-term goals for this particular thing. Suppose there is an event is happening. Okay. Suppose there is a Diwali function is happening in next 7 days, and someone comes to you. He is an event manager and says, "Take this 50,000 rupees and run advertisement for my locally geographical target in Delhi. I want to invite them into my carnival event on Sunday." Do you think it's very specific? Do you think it's a very specific event which is going to happen? Yes. And also and also they want to reach maximum person as they can, and they don't have an intention to sell anything in future, because this particular thing will end after Sunday. Diwali will come next year. So this is the best thing. If you have 50,000, 20,000, 10,000, whatever the amount you want to spend on Facebook ads, but in less time, if you want to reach maximum amount of people, this is the option you have to choose it, which is reach. Okay, now you're pretty clear that with the example of this particular thing, that if you have a long-term goal with the brand, go with the brand awareness. If you have particular time foundation and you want to reach maximum people, suppose you have a political figure and you want to reach up in your locality as a politician, okay, you want to run advertisement and you have a very specific date to fulfill the particular reach, so you will start running reach campaigns, not brand awareness again. Okay, so be sure that what to choose, when to choose. Getting it, guys, what I have just shared? Right, clear in the chat if you are clear. Okay,
Yes.
because people don't know this difference and they are randomly trying stuff. They're sometimes running brand awareness, they're sometimes running reach, so they don't know basic difference, that what is the difference here. And in fact, if you just go here, even after reading this particular you know explanation, I don't feel people will justify that what is the exact need of this particular campaigns. Do you think after reading this line, show your ads to maximum number of people, you will understand this, that what I have just shared you in a very simply manner with an example, that when to choose this kind of reach, right? You will not get anywhere, I'm telling you. After doing a lot of testing on this particular each buttons, I came to know that when to use all this stuff. Okay, so this is a personal experience that I'm sharing you.
Okay, one question. Reach is for reach. Let's say brand awareness. We are selling something at some time of point. So reach, can we use like that, or it is only for reaching?
Go with the brand awareness. I'll suggest you the brand awareness.
Yes, I'll go with for that. But I mean is my question is like reach is only for reaching out, or we can do any upsells or something like that.
It's very difficult. It's very difficult because see, the traffic inside this brand awareness and reach, it's very similar traffic. Okay, but it's very hard to convert as a sale, because it is just meant for what we say, like outbounding their mindset. Okay, they just want to know that we are exist in the market, there is no intention of sales or no, not making any kind of money. That is it. So that is when you should choose it. I hope you clear, Hitesh, with this.
Yes, yes. Uh, one question. This might be out of the topic. Brand awareness cost CPC and reach CPC would be the same, or
Pretty much same, but you will find some difference. Okay, brand awareness is cheap, reach is little expensive for some time, because the moment you say Facebook that I want to reach maximum number of people in 10 days, 1 week, Facebook will take advantage of yours. Okay, Facebook will take advantage of yours, that he knows that you are here to run reach campaign and you have a particular time boundation as 7 days or 10 days. So Facebook will charge definitely more. But in brand awareness, we have no time foundation. We exist here for a year and we are going to exist for next 100 years as a brand. So there is no time foundation. We'll run it. So it will smoothly run with very low cost, and reach, of course, it will be a little bit higher cost as compared to brand awareness. That's a great insight for you all. All right, guys, clear that what I've just shared about this particular brand awareness and reach, I've
Yes.
emphasized you a lot on this. Okay, we'll see that how to create campaigns later on. I want affirmation that on your chat that clear, guys. Go ahead and write clear if you are clear with this particular concept. Type on chat clear. I can't see your answers, buddy. Perfect. All right. Okay, let's move to the other one, which is consideration. Okay, there are a hell lot of things coming in. Okay, next in few like suppose we are okay, we have already started our Facebook ads journey. Okay, so we are going to cover a lot of things inside it, and from creation of the pixel and the integration, a lot of things coming in. Hang on, okay, a lot of things coming in. Hang on. So don't think that I'm just going to cover you like out of this Facebook ad, like what is this and that and all. No, it's not going to happen. I'm going to give you the basics to extreme level of expertise which is required to have a become a Facebook ads expert. Okay, I don't want you to become as just to know how to run lead generation ads on Facebook ads. It's very easy, anyone can do it, but when to do it, what is the purpose? If you can tell to your client and you can consider you can tell to other one, you will create a big impact as a marketer. Okay, then you will see and people will start valuing your knowledge, that yes, you know particular thing and you are pretty much expert in this particular niche. Okay, let's go ahead and explore few more stuff. And let's come to the consideration. We have consideration. Under this consideration, we have 6 options. One is traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, and messages. Okay, now let's come to the first, which is traffic. Okay, let's do a quick thing here. Do you think brand awareness, reach, traffic sounds similar? What do you think?
Kind of same.
Kind of same, because in brand awareness we are sending a lot of traffic, and reach also we are sending traffic, and this name itself is a traffic, so of course there will be a traffic. So why they created this particular option in consideration, why not in awareness? Can someone answer this? Like why they have created
Because
another type of advertisement objective?
in reach we can have the audience for a particular period of time, like not for a long period of time. And in consideration, we can have traffic for a long period of time, like we can retarget them again and again.
You are saying on the traffic?
Yeah.
Yes, that's one, that's the one.
Traffic.
That's the one. And there are many more reasons here as well. Anyone else want to try why they have created a third button as a traffic again? Anyone want to try? Go ahead.
Brand awareness is just for showing that you are doing this business in this industry, in this niche. You have a solution for so and so. That's it. But for traffic, it's like you want them to visit your profile, want them to visit your website, want to know more and become your follower or get inside your website and do something.
Yes. Okay. Let me just explain quickly. In brand awareness, we have a motto to sell long-term objectives. Like today, I don't have any objective to sell anything. I just want to reach more people who mostly likely to remember my brand. Okay. First thing. Second thing, in reach, we have a particular time foundation. If you have a time foundation for 7 days, 50 days, 30 days, 1 year, again, whatever the time foundation has. And if you want to reach maximum people, then you use reach. Okay. And in the consideration, traffic is something which is a mix of brand awareness and reach, I would say. Okay. This is a mix of this brand awareness and reach, where you will see any website, particular website, landing page, on anywhere you want to send traffic. Okay, you will see a lot of people coming, and few people just here to read content, and few people will come and start asking some questions about your brand. Okay, that sir, can you just tell me about your particular watch? Suppose you are a Rolex showroom and I've just started running traffic campaigns. Okay, so people will say, "Oh, sir, can you just tell me about your Rolex watch?" And few people will come and just read the article and go over. You think this is a mixed kind of behavior people are showing in your page? It's a mixed behavior, right? Few people coming and going, few people asking for the product. What is this? Why this is happening? Don't underestimate the power of Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads is a big artificial intelligence brain. Every objective is made by the writing lot of codes at the back of Facebook advertisement. Okay, there are a lot of ad coding has been done to create that kind of artificial intelligence. So Facebook is good enough to know that who is going to remember the brand, who is going to reach the particular in time foundation, who is going to give the maximum traffic with the relevancy score. So where people will start engaging, people will start asking for the products, or maybe they ended up buying. You're getting it? And also with the less amount of money. Agree, guys? What do you think? Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes. So I hope now you're pretty clear that, okay, if you want to answer, I just all of you want to be sure on this, because if someone asks you when to choose brand awareness, when to choose reach, when to choose traffic, and how the traffic is particularly different from brand awareness and reach, so you must know how to answer. Can you answer this, guys, now? And I hope you're pretty clear that why brand awareness, reach, and traffic is there. You guys clear? Type CC in the chat if you are clear. Okay, type CC. Crystal clear. Great. All right. Is my screen visible, guys? It's not turned off yet. Let me see. Okay. Wait. Okay, fine. Now it's working. Let's come to the other one, which is engagement. Clearly written, no brainer. Clearly written, visibly. Okay. Engagement. What do you mean by engagement? Go ahead and answer. I just want to participate. Maximum. Go ahead and answer what is engagement. As a digital marketer, you must know what is engagement.
Liking a particular photo, commenting on a photo, video.
Yes, this is called engagement. And
engagement is for the purpose of, like, you can say content. You're running a contents, an event, and kind of getting response to your content. Plus, you can, like, there will be surveys, right, running on. So engagement would be the perfect thing to choose.
absolutely, yes. So, guys, pretty clear, right? What is engagement? I don't think I knew this kind of clarification from my side. What is engagement? You must know that what is engagement. Every event is occurred to in respect to your landing page, to your social media post, to your brand. It is called engagement. If they're liking, commenting, deleting, abusing, whatever they're doing to your brand, it is called engagement. It's not that wedding engagement. It's not that. Engagement is an event that is happening with your brand particularly. I'm talking about brand. In digital marketing, we called two things: brand and business. No other thing, no individual stuff. Brand and business. It's meant for brand and business. Clear, guys? Now you clear that what is engagement? Type CC again. I just want to see
Yeah.
you are clear with it. We'll go ahead. CC. Great. Go ahead. Type CC. Yes. Perfect. Glad to see that you are getting it very easily. If you're getting this kind of stuff very easily, I'll make sure that to give you best insight into this. Okay. So your whatever your challenges coming ahead in the Facebook ads, you will resolve it quickly in seconds. Okay. In-depth Facebook ads is something very interesting, and I will talk about it more on future classes. So don't worry about it. And you have to practice your own. Okay. I'll give you path, but you have to practice your own. In that, I cannot help you. Of course, you have to do it. And I want to all of you create your own ads manager. If you haven't created, go ahead and you will create. Okay, after this session, I'll tell you. Okay. And okay, next comes the third option in the consideration. We have app installs. Okay, how many of you have seen in Facebook or Google that there is apps come, like in specifically on YouTube these days? When we open any YouTube video, this says open Zomato app, install Zomato app, install Swiggy app, right? They are pushing you to install these kind of applications. So for this
Geo.
particular campaign, if you think that someone comes to you, suppose I'm a developer, I'm a software engineer, I've created my newly app for education, free education. Let's suppose I am providing free education, but no one is downloading my software. So what I will do, I will start running advertisement. So you must know, in order to particularly increase the app installation, you have to choose app install campaigns. You're getting it? This is specifically made for app installs, whether it's an iOS, whether it's an Android. Both. You can do it for both. Clear? Clear, guys? Type CC. Clear? I hope you are not blanking out that what I am telling you right now, it's not from the space. It's very easy. Okay. App install is made for app installing campaigns. Well, as a client, people are asking to you, hey, please uh, run Facebook ads for my particular application, so I'll get more downloads. So for that, you have to create app install campaigns. How to create, we'll see later on. All right, let's come to the video views. Video view campaign is really interesting. What do you think by what is happening inside the video views campaign? Why we cannot run in traffic campaign? Why not brand awareness is reached? And also, I'm telling you, awareness and particular consideration is form of little bit mixed factors. Okay, but what do you think? why video views is separate from all others? It could be done under the traffic to increase video views. Why video views is separate?
You're talking about specific product.
Like I'm just asking openly, like it's about the objective. So why they've created traffic? If suppose
Number of views.
suppose I have a one YouTube video, suppose for an example, okay, I have a one YouTube video. I just want to increase the views, so I could have started running traffic to get maximum views on my videos. So why I need video views consideration? So do you think Facebook is fooled that they have given a separate button? Do you think they are doing this kind of mistake, and we are very smart to do this by running traffic campaign to increase our views? Don't do that. Okay, no brainer. Don't do that. I'm telling you, there is a reason. In the video views, what do you think? Whenever you watch any kind of videos on Facebook, everything is been tracked. How much time you consume content, how long duration videos you like the most, what kind of categories videos you like the most. And if you are someone that who love to watch videos on Facebook or not, very important, very very important. There are few people who want to read more. There are few people who want to watch more videos. There are few people who want to do chat more. Okay, chat in the sense text messages. So Facebook knows my behavior. If I says I have created a brand awareness, okay, let's suppose a brand awareness, newly Rolex brand has been launched, new watch from the Rolex for 2 minute video, brand new awesome video is roll out. But I want to know, I want to reach those people who has the intention to watch more videos, like they're really going to watch it, and I want to increase the views. So when I click on this in the video view campaign, what will happen in this under this campaign, my video views will be increased very fast as compared to any other button. If I use, if you want to increase video views, start using video views, because under video views those people are coming as an automatic algorithm from the Facebook, those who are interested to watch more videos. They are not someone who love to read. They are someone who love to watch. There comes under video views. Guys, clear? So suppose if you want to increase brand awareness quickly with the help of this particular videos, you need video views campaign. Clear, guys? When you should use video views, type CC in the chat if you clear when to use video views. Got it, guys? Any doubt so far? If you have any doubt, go ahead and tell me the doubt right now, because I'm just going ahead and I'm expecting that you are getting it. Okay, if you're not getting it, tell me clearly.
Can you give small example like video views for like for brand or for YouTube creators or your content creator?
So I'll
Small
give you
example.
example when I use video views. Okay, I'll give you outer view when I use and how I use video views. So suppose for a brand, let's say for e-commerce brand, okay, I'm someone that who's running e-commerce brand, okay, and I launched my new t-shirt collection, which is this, which is I'm wearing right now. It's a brand new t-shirt collection, and I have created an awesome video with some models, very paid models and very good looking models, and I want to reach maximum people, and I've created a video. What I will do, instead of sending traffic, engagement, brand awareness, reach, no, I will not do it. I will play smart here. Listen carefully, all the guys. I'll start running video views to my particular video. Suppose on my video I got 100k views, 100k views in a week. It's very easy to get. Okay, I suppose I got 100k views. Now what I will do, after getting 100k views, I will start running conversion ads as a retargeting ads by creating a custom audience. Those who knows what is custom audience, custom audience means I can create some audiences. Suppose 100k videos, 100,000 people has watched my video, particularly for this t-shirt. And suppose I want to show again to that kind of particular t-shirt, not in a text way, not in a video again. I'm going to show you as a picture this time, next time. Okay, first time you watch my video as watch my t-shirt as a video, and second time you're going to watch my t-shirt as image ad. Clear? Second time you're going to watch my t-shirt as an image. And I can create a filter inside the Facebook ads that those who have watched my particular first video above 50%, show them particular ad because I know they are particularly interested on my t-shirt because they have watched my full video more than 50%. You're getting it? This is a called brand strategy, how to use Facebook ads engine and remarketing at the same time. It's sometimes it's going from your out of the head, I maybe for few people, but it's golden thing. Okay, no one knows that how to create a retargeting correctly with the help of video ads. It's very cheap way to get the sales in e-commerce. Getting it? Do you think, guys, it's helpful to share this kind of insights during this class? Because I have no intention to share this kind of thing.
Thank you.
Create a conversion and retargeting. Okay, but yes, I have tried it. It's getting result. People are doing in market. It's working like great. Okay, create a video views first. Create a custom audience. Select those who have already watched 50% videos. Then create a retargeting ad. People will still get your lot of images for this particular t-shirt, and one day they will end up buying your product on your website. This is how digital marketing works in Facebook advertisement. Correct? Sounds good, sounds very easy, but it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy. It's little bit difficult. It's more than anything. Okay, let's go ahead to the next one, which is lead generation. You guys enjoying so far? I hope you are not getting bored what I'm trying to say and what I'm explaining here. You might be thinking that you know all of the stuff. Why this guy particularly emphasizing on all the topics again? We don't want to learn, as we just want to know how to run goddamn Facebook ads. Why he's just sticking to this particular 10 things? I hope you're not getting bored. Okay, I'm telling you the in-depth thing which is required to have. And do you think that this kind of explanation I'm giving, which is not available on internet right now, this is very specific with the live giving, I'm giving it the examples right now. Okay, so you will get to know that very fast. Yes, great. Yes, you will get very fast all this stuff, the how to create, when to create, what kind of campaign I should know, and you will do it Facebook ads in seconds. Okay, many marketers out there, if I just say, if I want to launch my newly created ebook and Amazon, how to sell it? No one knows that how to sell an ebook and Amazon. They don't know whether they should run brand awareness, they should run reach, traffic, engagement, whatnot. Okay, that's why I'm telling you the basics foundation which is required to have. Let's come to the other one, which is the lead generation. Very favorite of ours. We have discussed lot many times in every morning sessions, and I miss morning sessions. I'll be gonna continue for sure. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so let's come to the lead generation. So you know, guys, what is lead generation? I hope you know, all people out here, that what is lead generation. Type yes, I know lead generation, so I'll not cover this. Okay, it's meant for lead generation, and we have few campaigns inside, few forms inside it, where we can send direct traffic to the few forms. They have to fill forms quickly and submit it. So we'll get our data and we can call them back very easy. Okay, we can later do automation, triggering, a lot of things. Okay, I'll not cover that. Do you guys know already lead generation? I'll not cover much. I'll quickly go ahead. Great. All right. So let's go. And we have a very last messages. How many of you have seen this kind of ads where you have to, when you just click on the ads, instead of going to landing page, a prompt comes and as a text. So send a text to get a reply back. This kind of ads called message ads. Okay, there is no landing page involved. There is no link and all. They get straight DM to the pages, straight DM to the Instagram page. Okay, suppose you have an object, to just send some particular course, or maybe some query. So you can try with messages. Suppose you are running awareness. Okay, this is also coming under consideration. So you are running in the market and you are writing that type free, reply free to this particular ad in order to get free ebook. So you are running. So what will happen? People will come to your ad and they will reply on your particular ad free. The moment they will type free on your particular ad, they will get your ebook, or they will get your particular product, whatever is that. You're getting it? This is something very different compared to the lead generation landing page, because they are straight sending you a message on your DMs. Getting it?
One more thing I want to ask here.
Yes.
So if we choose messenger ad, right? So in our placement, if we choose Instagram story or Instagram feed,
So the button, it will show as a messenger, or it will from Instagram it will redirect to messenger, or it go to Instagram DM only.
It, if it is if your page is interconnected, okay, so
Okay,
if you have
both are
created, that's why the new feature has been created by Instagram, that they have connected their DMs to messenger and messenger to DMs. Have you noticed that you can
yes, yes.
start sending messages from Instagram to messenger apps and messenger to Instagram? This is the main reason. So if you are getting this kind of a messages from Instagram, they will get you straight to messenger. If you're getting the messenger, you can straight see in the Instagram DMs. That's why I hope you clear in this, guys. If you are clear, type CC crystal clear on this part, how to do messages and when to do. Type CC, guys. Go ahead, do it fast. We have very less time to finish up the topic. Go ahead, type CC, guys. I'm watching you all. Okay, do it your part, because I want your maximum engagement on this particular classes. So I'll get to know that okay, you are paying attention. Yes, good job. All right, we are moving ahead to the next one, which is our one of the favorite one is now conversions. Conversion is the most important thing to track. I hope all of people you know what is conversions. If you don't know, okay, I'm just gonna give you a quick example. Suppose I've sent you a link, any kind of website link, and you opened my website. Okay, there is my website, and in the website I have clearly written, to get more digital marketing updates, please provide your email ID. Okay, this is a newsletter. To get more updates regarding digital marketing, please provide your email ID. So you went to my website and dropped your email ID and you hit submit. The moment you hit submit, and you got redirected to another page, as another page comes up on your front after giving your email ID is, thank you for giving your email ID. Now you have subscribed for regular digital marketing tips. This is called my thank you page. The earlier was my first primary landing page, that where I have gave my offer. Offer was to get free digital marketing tips every week, every day, whatever is that. You gave your email ID, you send the button, you click on submit. Then another page reloaded and they said, thank you for giving your email ID. Now you will get digital marketing updates for free. So this particular thing and event which is happening from one page to another is tracking a conversion. In order to track this kind of conversion, you have to do this kind of campaign, which is called conversions campaign. I think I have given you the best example to understand what is conversion campaign. Okay, it's going to one particular landing page to another destination page. If you want to track this particular event, which is going from one page to another page, it's called conversion event. And if you want to track particular thing, this is called conversion campaign. Similarly, goes to your e-commerce website. You gone to Flipkart, you checked your phone, you clicked on buy button, and after buying, it will go to your cart as thank you for purchasing from Flipkart. Have a nice day. Right? Second page reloaded. It means you done with your purchasing. So this is called conversion over here in a second hand. Clear, guys? If it's clear, go ahead and write chat. And again, CC. That I'll get to know that you are clear with the conversions. Okay, I'm trying my best to give you good examples. Yes, Nihar, CC. Yes. Great. Good to know it's clear. Okay, great. One of my favorite. Let's come to the next one, which is catalog sales. How many you have seen catalog sales? Catalog is nothing. You have seen the carousels, right? You know how to see.
Carousel ad.
Yeah,
Carousel.
you have seen it on Instagram, right? Carousels. Swipe, 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 swipe.
Mainly used for e-commerce.
Yeah, catalog sales is something that you can offer it. Okay, for an example, how catalog sales looks like. I'll give you here an option. You can quickly see. Okay. Here is the catalog sales. Can you see it? There is a plenty much of images on the same phone. You can swipe left to check another variant. You can swipe check to another variant. You can swipe check to another variant. Suppose you have a one shoe launch from Nike, and Nike is offering 7 different colors for the same shoe and with different pricing. In order to show that, you have to create carousel image ad like this in front of this. Can you see it, guys? Please let me know if you can see my screen clearly. Yes, great. So do you think this kind of ad would be more engaging rather than a single image, because it's more interesting? You can see a lot of color variants, color options, pricing options in same image. Yes, of course. So that's why Facebook ad created this particularly very different, which is catalog sales. And catalog sales is having one of the highest conversions category in throughout conversions, which is three factors. Okay. Now another one is store traffic. This is something related to your physical store. Okay. Let's suppose you are running kirana ka store. What is kirana store? What is general? Basically a general store where you are, selling pulses, rice, atta and all, like these kind of things you sell basically on general store. Or maybe you are an optician. People often says we are opticians, how to sell online? You don't have to sell online because you don't have to compete with Lenskart. Lenskart is biggest brand in optician market, right? You know that Lenskart, right? Lenskart is the one of the big brand right now. You cannot compete it. So what I generally suggest as a marketer, instead of focusing all throughout the internet, throughout the world, don't focus it. Focus on your local area. Start running ads in local area, cover 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, and show them that you are a best optician in Delhi. And if you want to if you want to get your eye check done, please visit to our store. So this particular campaign will happen for their physical store visit, not for online store visit. Getting it? This campaign is made for physical store visit. If you want to increase physical footfall, so we often check that there is very interesting parameters for checking that how this campaign works. Suppose someone says comes here, okay, take Hitesh, here is your 50,000 and give me the maximum footfall in my store. Okay, and actually how you will track it, because you run 50,000 rupees for a month. Okay, you run advertisement of 50,000 rupees, and as per Facebook it says 10 1 lakh people showed interest. Okay, 1 lakh people showed interest in your store. And how you will track that how many people actually reached to your store and they came? So this is called footfall, right? This is called footfall in your store. So you have to track it, that how many people are coming in with the help of ads, not organically, with the help of ads. It's very difficult to track that particular thing because you don't have any control. Just you can just show ads to everyone and people are coming to your store. Do you think you can count like manually, that whenever people are coming to your store you can count everyone manually, that okay, 3 people coming today, 4 people coming today, 5 coming today, 10,000, say 10,000 people coming to our store? You cannot do it because it's everyday event, right? So you have to do some accumulation, and this is something that you must master, and you can search by your own, and it is very less likely to use on Facebook ads, but don't underestimate it. Again, if Facebook ad has created this particular option, then it meant to be for some reason. Okay, don't underestimate it. If this is required to increase footfall, if it is a general store, if it is an optician store, if it is a local garment store, if it is a salon, okay, if it is a salon, if it is a barber shop, spa, anything XYZ, big thing, go for the store traffic. You will get a lot of people coming inside your business. Okay, try different stuff. Maybe it will work as a brand awareness, reach, store traffic, but primarily you must know that how all these things work. So I think I have covered pretty much all the stuff over here. Do you think whatever I have shared so far was good and was little deeper than explanation, which is available on this Facebook, which is you can clearly see, right? If you just read this particular two line and you think that you already know that what how these things work. Do you think by reading just two lines you can get this kind of explanation somewhere? No, I don't think so, because there is less explanation available on internet, in fact. Right, yes. Yes, it's very exclusive. Okay, so I hope we have covered this, and this was the very fundamental practice in your mind, that when to run, what to run it. Okay, clear, guys? I want CC from all of you, that you know all these campaigns, that when to do it or not. Let me see your CCs quickly. Those who have writing CC in chat. Okay, Shankul, Vasuraj, Manish, Nihar, Saurav. Yes, yes, yes. Great. Great. Looks like you are pretty clear what to run, when to run it. Okay. All right. So we have few things covered to cover yet. So what's the time right now? Let me just have a quick look. We already have 4 o'clock. Okay, let's give me a quick look again. What is rest to be there? So we have learned so far type of campaigns. Okay. For Facebook ads, we must create a campaign first in order to run it. Now we are not going to insert that how to run Facebook ads. Okay, as create a campaign. We'll not do it. We go part two. Part two is what is Facebook Pixel. Okay, getting it? What is Facebook Pixel? So Facebook Pixel is something is a JavaScript code which allows users to track their data and the behavior. Okay, suppose I'm just giving an example of this particular page. Let's say this is one of my clients' page. Okay, suppose this is a website. Okay, this is the website, and she's a coach. She's an English trainer. All right. Do you think? And also, you can clearly see I have installed one plugin on my Chrome browser, which is called Facebook Pixel Helper, in order to see what pixel she is using. So she has integrated Facebook Pixel, and I can see the ID as well. What is the Facebook ID? What she's doing. So if this particular JavaScript code is integrated in the web page, this particular goddamn Facebook pixel knows who the hell has watched this particular landing page, and when he watched it, how many times he opened this particular website, at what time he was there, what he did after coming to here. Maybe he engaged with the buttons, maybe he played here and there, and they left it. Okay, so basically they are tracking your behavior. This particular thing is very powerful. Suppose he knows who I am. Now those who's having the control of Facebook ads, they can particularly target them, those who have visited this website. Suppose I want to run ads. I suppose she want to run an ad. Okay, she want to run an ad, and she want to show ad to those person, those who have visited their particular website, like suppose this website, in 7 days. So she can do it, and this option can only be coming from by implementing Facebook Pixel. Now you guys clear that what is Facebook Pixel, how Facebook Pixel is working at the back. Okay, there is some JavaScript involved, and if you want to see how the JavaScript looks like, I can show you as well. Can you see here? I've just opened the source code of the website. Okay, if you click on Control U, you will get the source code of any website. Okay, Control U is the source code hack. So this thing is particularly called Facebook Pixel code, and these things can be integrated by some Facebook experts. Very easy. You can give to your website builders, those who know how to build website. They can do it very easily. In fact, you can do it your own. Okay, so this is particular thing is called Facebook Pixel. Okay, the question is, ये कहाँ से आया, ये कहाँ से मिला इनको, where they get this particular code. Okay, now let's come here. You are here in this ads manager. You're clicking here, going to events manager. Okay, there are a lot of buttons over here. I'll explain you later. What is ad account, e-commerce management, media library, so on and so forth. Let's go to the event manager as if now. Go to event manager. And now you will see a lot of things is listed. Here is my one of the pixel account is here. Okay, and this is not configured on the website. So what I will do, I will click here, continue pixel setup. You are noticing, guys, from where I'm getting my pixel ID done. Continue here, install code manually. I'll click here. After this, over here, I got my this particular code. I have to just copy and paste it on my website, like I've shown you. That particular person has already installed. Now I have to click continue, turn on advanced matching. This is called Facebook AI advanced matching. can be done. They can track email address, gender, town, city, date of birth, phone number, first, external, so on and so forth. This particular code can track your these kind of informations, right? So this you can turn it on, continue, and you are done after setting it up. You're getting it? Very easy peasy. And you must be thinking, यार pixel code तो डाल लिया, वो आया कैसे? What if it's not there? So how many of you have already created pixel account, or you know that how to create Facebook pixel? Let me know in the chat that you know how to create Facebook pixel and you have integrated successfully. I know, great. Great. Let me know. Let me on the chat. Let me know on the chat, guys. Not yet. Okay. I don't know. Nisha's no. Okay. So that's why I told. That's why I told you that from where to get it. So the answer was open this particular three dot menu, which is called hamburger menu in as a web developer language. It's called hamburger menu. Click on this. Under the events manager, you will get this listing, and click. Don't click here and there. Okay. Click here. You will get your own name, and you can start setting up this pixel. Okay, you have to do just copy this particular thing and install on this website on the back. This website is particularly made on WordPress. It's very easy to install, just 2-minute process. You can watch in fact a YouTube video to how to install Facebook pixel. You will get to know. Easy guys. Do you think it's easy? Facebook pixel is not a big job. Okay, again, we have various things called data sources. In data sources, we monitor the traffic which is coming on our website. All right, and another is a custom conversions, one of our favorite. Okay, so in custom conversions, we track the events as I told you before, right? Where suppose as a Flipkart, I want to check how many sales are happening in my business. Without custom events, I cannot track it. Suppose I am running webinars, I'm running ads for particular course, how I will track it that my sales is happening? So I have to create a conversion counter. So it will call create custom conversion. So we will see later on that how to create custom conversion. And the next class, what we are going to cover, that how to create and custom conversions. Okay, how to create a split testing, how to create CBO campaigns, campaign budget optimization, ad budget optimization. At the same time, how to create a right kind of structure in order to get best results from Facebook ads. That is going to cover on the next day of this class, particularly on Facebook ads. And also we will also discuss about how to create goddamn beautiful looking landing page in order to bring results with the help of Facebook ads. Okay, this is called mastery in the Facebook ads, because it's not that you just run Facebook ads. You also should know how to write copywriting, how to create landing page basically to run. So it's not that you start running Facebook ads and you're expecting that leads will come. No, if your website is not good, you think this website is good, you think this website is good in order to get some leads. Okay, if your website is not looking good, how you will get the results? Okay, split testing is a AB. Yes, correct. Split testing is a AB testing, right? Correct. Yes, I will show you how to do split testing, right? I'll show you. And tomorrow we will gonna create each campaign for each objective. Today I've shown you that what kind of objectives are there. 2 in brand awareness. There are 6 types of in consideration, and 3 types of options in our conversions. Okay. So tomorrow we're gonna have a quick look, and we're gonna create our campaigns, that how many types of campaigns are there as a live one. Okay, we will create one by one, and you guys interested to create side by side along with me tomorrow? And I want you to come from your laptop. If you have a laptop facility, go ahead and create a campaign together with me. Okay, that will be a more practical. So meanwhile, what's your homework? Quick homework for now. Meanwhile, you have to create this particular ads manager. If you don't have ads manager, get your ads manager done. Google it. I already give you this kind of link. This is the link, facebook.com/ads manager. create an ads manager. You will get it. Cool. Awesome. So do you think, guys, this was interesting, and we are gonna cover a lot of stuff ahead? And yes, I am pretty much back to my track. So I'll slowly starting up and giving you on track same delivery result like before, like first week of this particular internship. So I hope you like this session. I've give you overview of this Facebook ad. I didn't try to go here and there mix up very things. I don't want to do that, because I know if I start mixing up, at the end of the day, if you are not learning, implementing, it's not my loss, it's gonna your loss. And I don't want your loss. Okay, I'm just creating foundation. That's why very strong foundation from very beginning. Each thing I'm emphasizing, telling you repeatedly, morning evening sessions, to just make you a master of that particular skill. And I'm the one that who is here to force you from your comfort zone, that go ahead and explore the things. Okay, no one is going to tell you like this. Getting it? Great. So how was the today's session, guys? Let me know in the quick chat, so I'll get to know your energy. How was that? I hope you're not sleepy. This time is really sleepy for everyone, in fact for me, but just because of you, I'm still awake and I'm working good, and I'm trying my best to deliver the results. Okay.
Okay. Can you give me like a one sentence or two cents on business ad? When should we use business ad manager?
When should we use business manager? When should we ads manager? This is the question. Okay. So
Yes.
the good question. So if you are running ads for yourself, just for yourself, so this is my personal ad account. Okay, this is my personal ad account. But if you want to manage advertisement for an as an agency, suppose I am an agency, I run a lot of people advertisements. Okay, for that what I do, I ask the permission for other people ads manager, and I take permission on my this particular business manager, and I start run adding. I start run ads. That's what I do. So an ad personal ads manager, you cannot do it. It's not recommended. So I have created my business manager. I'll show you. You can see I have a lot of ad managers above here. You can see this is my Vijay Kumar Nayak businesses. I have different brands load up here. One is Aman, Ambience, Ekpatom. There are a lot of people are listed here. Okay, there is different ads manager for each person. So I'm managing a lot of ads manager at once in my business. So if I click here, you can see how many ads manager I'm handling on day-to-day basis. So this can be only done in business ads manager. Okay, business manager. This cannot be done on personal ad manager. If you want to know how to create it, just simply write facebook.business.com. You will get it. Okay. All right. Let me go to here. Fine. This is my ads manager. And under this I have few pages, few Instagram. So I take access of few Instagram pages, Facebook pages, and a lot of other stuff. I don't have to do manual processes. Okay, let's see. As an agency, I can manage many people, so I can add few people in my agency in with different roles. Those who are just here to work as analyst, those who work to as an advertisement, those who want to as work as freelance, like a graphical integration. So they have particular restricted access in Facebook. Okay, they can do just certain activities, not more than that. So I can manage here. So here are the few pages I have listed up. Okay, there are a lot of pages I'm handling. There are a lot of ad accounts that I'm handling. Okay, you can see the different listing here. This is other people ads managers, not mine. So I can manage from here quickly. Business group, there is apps, there is no apps I'm handling. There is a lot of Instagram pages I'm handling from here. Okay, this is data sources. I have a lot of pixel account. If I click here, you will see my pixel IDC. There are a lot of pixel data here. So I just show you how to create pixel account. So once you create it, you can share access to me, and I can manage your Facebook and pixel accesses from my this particular thing. Getting it? So that's why we should use the business manager instead of ads
Sorry
manager.
to ask you, like if it is personal, but I just want to check what is in the data source of Pixel. What we find, like it is a normal kind of data which for name, email ID, and stuff, or
It is
is
called
there
hash data.
something else?
It is called hash data, and hash data can be only read by their algorithms. We cannot read it, but more or less what they are tracking their age, their behavior on internet, and like pretty much everything which can be tracked. Okay, wherever your finger is going on Facebook pages, here and there, ups, down, you are swiping, scrolling, liking, commenting, is been counting and recording by this particular Facebook pixel thing. So this is particular JavaScript is very important. So we cannot look into it. Suppose we have a pixel ID and there is a lot of data involved. Suppose your website is running from last 5 years and you have installed pixel data. So according to that, you must be getting a lot of information. Okay, 5 years of data you have, because pixel is recording a lot of data at your back. But it's not like that. If you say, okay, let's open Facebook pixel and see all the data, you cannot do it because it's already in hashed data format. You cannot read it. Only Facebook bots can read it. If this would be the case, data can be easily stealable, right? This would be a very dangerous case. That's why for a security purpose they didn't do it. Got it, guys? I hope that was clear, and this was a fun session, in fact, isn't it? Great. Anything, guys, if you want to ask regarding this today's session, let me know in the chat. And I want to know that how you felt about this particular session and how was that. I've tried to cover the from the basics, but I've given you the best example so far to where to use, where to use not. Okay. Yeah, it was great. Thanks, Manish. Good to know. All right. And requested, guys, please to turn on your videos while we attend this particular classes, because I know I'm forcing you to turn on your videos, but it's just for your good. Okay, it's not for my good. That's why if you turn on your videos, you will create a cause for yourself, because you will leaving your comfort zone and coming out. Great, Shankar. Shankar is always wait for my command. Okay, unless and I'll say he'll not come. Great. All right, that's pretty much it, guys.